looking at TeamLease today, and the stock is doing pretty well. It's up close to about 3.5%. Now, this is the reason why the stock is up in trade is because Motilal Oswal today has upgraded it to a buy rating, and their target price is more than 2,800 rupees. Let me tell you why they're looking at a re-rating in TeamLease. One, the stock has corrected a lot. It's down 59% from its peak level. This is because the company went through a rough patch. TeamLease is into staffing. They staff your flexible, the flexible employees that you need. It's called general staffing. So that general staffing segment got hit on account of high inflation. They were also staffing technology employees. IT companies were not hiring. So as a result of which the growth moderated. Because of the growth moderating and the high inflation, margins for the company also came under pressure. So that's the reason why the stock corrected. But now Motilal Oswal sees the possibility of a re-rating because they're saying technology staffing will recover. It will start showing signs of recovery in the second half of this year, but by next year, FY25, technology staffing would have picked up, so that's a positive. Secondly, the company is focusing on bringing down their costs, improving their productivity levels, improving the efficiency, so margins too will recover, according to Motilal Oswal. They said FY23 margins were trough levels, the weakest margins, but from here on, according to them, margins could improve by 50 basis points. The third reason is the long-term structural story is intact for TeamLease because there is a low flexi staffing penetration in India versus the developed economies. And the final reason is that valuations, and this is after valuing, putting a target price of 28.90 on the stock, they're saying that the valuations at that fair value of 28.90 would still be a 10% discount to the 5-year median PE. So according to them, the valuations are also fairly reasonable, which is why they've upgraded the stock to a buy rating, 28.90. That's an upside of more than 30%. But we'll get into a break. We'll come back and talk commodities. Manisha Gupta joins us next.